Alright Blender fans, what's going on? It's me, Keith Pixel, with my brand new channel. Thanks for visiting. Please do subscribe because the idea is to do loads and loads and loads of these free courses, and I'm going to be posting really regularly as well. Aim is to do 3 videos a week. So in this installment we're going to teach you how to make this. I hope I pointed the right way. I've chosen Iron Man because I think Iron Man is very complex if you think about it, but I'm going to show you how you break stuff down into very small shapes to make it very simple. Lots of complex curves and things, so if you wanted to get into like cars and automotive or literally whatever you want to model in the world, I'm going to teach you skills of how to do that. So we're going to learn modeling, shading, rigging, animation, dynamics, compositing, mimicking an entire pipeline that you'd find in a professional studio. This is just the intro. So without further ado, let's deep dive. Grab your coffee. Let's rock, baby.